Hey guys, I know I've done this. I had experience with this too. Try locating it and throwing it to another place. Let's just say here, and then try to select a folder, open, but it doesn't go like that. So here's how you really do it. So as you saw in the last video, you see where the little sound library plug is located. So go into Finder. Okay, so here I searched. So it tells me where this is located. All right, go here, and it might be wherever it is, music, and then here's that little plug. Now what you gotta do is copy and paste it on to wherever you want. And I save all my, stuff right here and yada, yada, yada. Let's just choose this right now. It's like whatever folder you want to put it on, and then paste it here. And then another thing you want to do after you paste it, you want to move this to the trash and then completely like delete it off. But now in this case, I'm already in another folder because I already have a bunch of sounds on here. So it's already freed up a lot of space. It's already got like 10 gigabytes used on here. So yeah. So, and then when you open this back up again, after doing all that, it will say something like this. You will have to locate it. And then based on where you located it, I just use this for shortcuts, Logic Samps. And then where it says the bundle, you click it, open it up, and then all your sounds are there. And that's how you do it. So now you should be able to see that when I open the setting back up, sound library, boom. Now it's on my external hard drive. So yeah.